Hi guys! Again, this is Princess and welcome back to my channel. I'm with Christine, my flatmate. And we're here in Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. And we're going inside the wildlife sanctuary. Ang lamig ngayon, guys. It's what time na? 4?
Wala pa tayong relo.
May relo ko kaya alam wala sa time. It's 4 in the afternoon and it's really cold. I don't know why it's cold. Naka long sleeve naman ako pero giniginawa kasi mangrove hide. Sabi. Let's check. And those are flamingos. So, sorry shaky yung kamay ko. Nice. There's a lot of flamingos. So yan guys, itong una namin pinuntahan is the mangrove area. Mas maraming mangroves and as we can see, may mga flamingos na. We'll try to check on the other side. Sana mas marami pang migratory birds tayong makita. So basically, in this wildlife sanctuary, mga migratory birds ang makikita natin. I'm trying to say in Tagalog. Sorry. I need to speak in English more. So, we can find migratory birds in this place. Ayun yan. Am I making sense? And we're heading to the other gate. And then another right yun. Oh, now we're here in Flamingo Hide kasi yung first na pinuntahan natin, the first gate is the Mangrove Hide. And then this area is Flamingo Hide. Ayan o, from here kita na sila. Wait lang guys. Yan o guys, papasok pa lang kita na yung mga flamingos over there. We're now entering Flamingo Hide. Okay, so it's a much nearer view for the flamingos. Look at them. Ang dami nila. Cute, right? Okay guys, so meron pang third na gate or na area. But they said halos wala naman daw kami makikita doon. But we'll try to ask for the guard how to get there. So, check lang natin ha. Diba? Ayun sila oh. They are my flatmates which is Dax and Christine with me.
Hi!
Walk like a flamingo.
Meron ba nun? Walk like a flamingo. So guys, we will not go sa third gate since halos wala naman kaming makikita doon. And I think I will be ending my video for Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. So like what I've said, those are the migratory birds, yung mga pinakita kong videos kanina. So that's it. Say bye!
Bye!
Game sila, right? So bye everyone! Hope you enjoy my Ras Al Khor wildlife video. So huling sulyap for the flamingos over there. Thank you so much. Please, if you're new to my channel, click subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye!
Ayun.